Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making brown butter chocolate chip hazelnut cookies. And let's start with the ingredients. First you need pure cane sugar, and then you're going to go ahead and with these hazelnut milk chocolate bars. You do need about 2 of them. Light brown sugar, and then first you want to start out by melting 2 sticks of butter, unsalted, and then you want to go ahead and melt them down. All of those foam bits are brown, like a nice tan golden color. And then once you get them a nice brown color, you want to go ahead and just keep stirring it for a little bit longer until it's shown on the screen and all the white foam bubbles are gone and you're just left with the brown bits at the bottom. And then you want to go ahead and take that off to the side and pour it into a measuring cup to let it cool for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I would recommend putting it in the refrigerator to help it cool down, but you don't want it to solidify. So once it does go ahead and get this color and you see there's no yellow foam bits at the top. After you go ahead and melt that butter, you do want to take 2 cups of pure cane sugar and mix that into a medium sized bowl, and then add in that light brown sugar as well as the melted brown butter that you now have. And you do want to go ahead and hand mix that for about 7 minutes. And then once you do that, now you do want to go ahead and either hand mix this or use a hand stand mixer, whatever you have, and mix it for a good 7 minutes until you get this nice creamy sandy texture. I did have to go ahead and mix it all by hand, which took me about a good 7.5 minutes to go ahead and get that texture. Now at this moment, it's going to feel like either your arm is dying or you need to go ahead and stop, but you want to make sure you're able to smooth it out with the spoon. And then you want to add in the 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, as well as add in the 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and then as well as 1 egg yolk, and then 1 full egg. And then you want to mix that all together, and not too rough as it's showing up. The video is sped up, so you want to be a lot more gentle, and then fold in that flour. And then once you fold in the flour, you want to go ahead and add in those milk chocolate bits that you did go ahead and cut up. Now then you want to go ahead and fold that in, and then once you folded that in, you want to go ahead and let this chill for a good 20 minutes. And then once you do let this chill, you want to go ahead and take it out, and then you should be able to form like these nice thick balls. I would say about 2 inches. You want to preheat your oven to about 325 degrees, and then cook the cookies for about 12 minutes per 6 cookies. And that will give you these brown butter chocolate chip hazelnut cookies. Well, thanks for watching my baking video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.